Start. Sir, our constitution has also emphasized this composite character of our culture. The language which is going to be the official language of the Indian Union. It has been laid down in the constitution will reflect the diversity of our composite culture. There is no attempt anywhere at establishing uniformity. From this point of view, the attempt to reorganize the state, recognizing the of differences which exist, is a move in the right direction. It is a wise and a statesmanship like move. The essence of state statesmanship is not to do something according to a formula. Something may be ideal on paper, but when we face certain facts, the essence of statesmanship is to face those facts and to recognize the differences or the diversities or the difficulties which exist and then to find a solution in which these difficulties, these diversities, and these differences may be reconciled at present the present bill takes a further step at that direction, but my regret is that this bill did not form part of the state's reorganization bill. If the proposals contained in this bill had been presented as a part of the general proposals in the state's reorganization bill, perhaps this extra attention which has been paid to the particular problems discussed in this bill would not have been given. So much time and attention would not have been consumed over this question if we were dealing with a larger number of problems. When we look into the totally totality of the situation in India, we look at the problems in a general way, but when we isolate one particular problem from the general totality of the picture and look at only one isolated problem, there is always a risk. There is always a danger that we might exaggerate the importance of some particular items. One of the reasons why there has been so much discussion over this rather small bill, as the Honorable Home Minister described it, is because it has been isolated from the general picture of the reorganization of Indian states. With regard to the particular proposals which have been made, sir, I do not wish to speak at length at this late stage. These are, in essence, the result of discussions and, shall I say, if not complete agreement, at least the reduction to a minimum of the differences which existed between the different groups. The various demands and counter demands of the different states, that use of the term state in this connection is somewhat unfortunate. If we had talked of provinces instead of states, there would have been less of feeding on this issue, but b that as it may these demands of the different states have been before the country for a number of years. After a great deal of discussion over this particular bill, we have come to what may be regarded as more or less agreed settlements. The Bengal government had made certain demands, the Bihar government had made certain demands, perhaps in a case like this, full stop.